I have another repair on a 2015 Toyota Highlander hybrid. This one to me is a factory defect. It's the rear seat center cup holder where my youth sat, and he puts his drinks before or after school, dumps them in there, and of course these things broke off of both of them. And this little clip was underneath this mechanism. It clipped on here like this, and it broke, but it was underneath here on both of these. And I've had dealer tell me, well, you need to be careful. I'm like, he's a kid. He puts his drinks in there, whether they're paper cups or whatever, and they just snap off. So I asked how much they're going to cost to repair. $300 if I have the dealer do it. This is $100 to $110. They double it, $100 labor. I said, well, I'm going to do it myself. I found out where to get these, or at least this replacement part with the clips. Then I thought, what am I going to do that for? It's just going to break off again. This is really poorly made. It's disappointing. I'm not going to put them back on there. I have something better. I bought this little insert. As you can see, my interior is this almond tan color and black. Boom. Goes in there. Looks great. And you can pop it out. If you don't like the way that moves, then just put an O-ring or something around here, some rubber bands. Give it some grip. And it's in there a little tighter. There we go. On the cheap. Better than before. No way that's going to break. I'm not going to spend money on these clips again. That would be just a waste of money. They will break. I'll put a link below where you can get these. And you can do any kind of contraption you want. DIY it. Get a big old 4-inch O-ring. By the way, this is 4 inches. This hole. And this is 2.5 inches high. That's nice and snug. Keeper. DIY. I also have another stopper. I put this little bungee with the round ball on here. That's really snug. Folds up underneath. You really can't even see it here. The rubber bands or that bungee. You can't see it at all. Oh, there you go. You can see it right there. Put some black ones on. You won't see it. And if you watch this video all the way and you actually want these, you want to pay postage, I'll send them to you, no cost. Send me a message.